So a few months back I made this video on things to do in quarantine thinking that it will be over soon, but here we are 4 months later still sitting at home getting bored with nothing to do but to attend online classes. Trust me guys, I am even bored of watching Netflix now and I thought you guys might as well be. So in this video I am going to talk about 5 more things to do when you're bored at home. So the first thing that you can do when you're bored is yoga or stretching. It's basically the same thing. And even before this whole pandemic situation started, I used to do it every single day and I still do it because you guys know that I love playing football and you have to stretch before every single game to avoid injuries. So it eventually got into my everyday routine, and even if you don't play any sport or maybe you work out, or even if you don't work out, which you should, you need to stretch every single day because it's really great for your muscles and your joints. Most of you guys nowadays are just sitting around or laying on the bed for God knows how many hours. So stretching will help you to relax all those tight muscles, and it's also like a meditation because you're all alone. You can listen to some music if you want to, and trust me, if you do it in the morning like I do, your day is going to start off much better. The second thing that you can do is to challenge yourself. Challenge yourself to do something that you want to do but you couldn't before. For example, I am trying to reduce my screen time. I'm trying to reduce the time that I spend on my phone and laptop. And let me tell you honestly, I am failing miserably because I have to edit my videos, photos. I also write my scripts on the laptop, but I am still trying. And it does not have to be the same for you. It could be anything like reading a book in certain number of days, or spending more time with your family, or even working out every single day. Just think what you want to do and then challenge yourself to complete that task. The third thing to do when you're bored is learn a new language. Learn Spanish, learn French, learn Portuguese, or any other language that you want. I have been learning a little Espanol, and trust me, it is really fun. And besides being fun and really great to kill your time, girls like guys that can speak different languages. It is a great conversation starter. I know because I can speak 2 different languages and I have had some really nice conversation because of it. And it also might come handful when you're traveling. So I think it's a really nice way to kill some time and maybe even impress some girls. Who knows? Number 4, take a rest day. Take care of your body and just relax. You don't need to learn a new language. You don't need to learn anything new every single day because you're stuck at home. You can also take this time to think about everything and reconnect with yourself. Take this time to enjoy with your family and have fun. I do it too. I've been working really hard with scripts and editing and all those stuff. So just take one day to not do anything. Be super productive on other days, but at some point you have to step back and be like, you know what? I've done a lot. Now I deserve a little rest day and then just chill. Because these are some stressful and frustrating times. I know I get frustrated because I used to go out a lot for shopping and movies and all the stuff. But now we can't. So take some time to relax by having a little rest day. The last thing on this list that you can do when you're bored at home is cooking. Cooking is sexy and it's a really cool mature skill that I don't have at all. But besides being a cool thing to do, it's really great for when you're at home alone and suddenly you get hungry. Well, you can just make something for yourself. And also girls absolutely love it when guys can cook, which again I definitely do not know. But this is definitely on my list of things to do and learn. But again, I've been super busy and I don't know if I'll ever master this. But I'm trying. I am trying. So guys, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, leave a like down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please click the subscribe button because my goal is to reach 1000 subscribers before the end of this year and I need your support for that. So share this video with your friends if you think that it might help them, and also follow me on Instagram. My username is @iam_anuj_datta, and I give a lot of outfit inspiration over there as well. And with that being said, until next time, peace.